Almost bought a dogo argentino, and the guy was like, right before I bought it, he was like, hey, you gonna have this dog in bed with you? And I go, yeah, of course. He goes, I'm not selling it to you, and hung up on me.
Really?
Yeah, because you got it. There's certain dogs where you have to become the master.
Right.
Like dogo argentinos are like bull mastiffs, but pit bulls on steroids.
Yeah.
And the guy was like, yeah, man, once it gets in bed with you, you've lost the house. I was like, all right, good call, man. Thank you for stopping me.
So it fucking tells you, no, I'm running this house, bitch.
Yeah,
I sleep in this bed. Who the fuck are you?
He's
Who
like,
the fuck
wake
are
up.
you, bro?
He's fucking my wife. I'm like, hey, what? I didn't know we were gonna share her.
Imagine he starts growling at you while he's humping your wife's leg. You're like, oh no, what have I done? I let this giant beast get too comfortable in my house. 200-pound murderous dog that wants to fuck your wife.